Hello. There is someone with you in the society that is telling you, do not show your emotion because that is weak. Well, some men are feared about being judged in the society for showing their emotion, for showing their emotional vulnerability. So, uh, because sinasabi ng society na wag kang magpakita, do not express your emotion because it can show you as weak. So some men are very, very worried or have a fear about societal judgment, rejection, if they are expressing themselves, especially sa papakita ng kanilang emotion. That's why there are some men that hindi nila ipinapakita ang kanilang nararamdaman. Sinosuppress nila ang kanilang nararamdaman dahil ayaw nilang i-judge sila ng mga tao o ng lipunan dahil sa pagpapakita ng kanilang nararamdaman na maaaring i-judge sila bilang weak.